Hey you guys, it's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel. And thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. Today I'm at Dollar General. I'm going to be going over this week's deals that you can do now. Of course, you can do them anytime throughout the week, as well as wait till this Saturday, July 31st, and pay them into a 5 off of 25. Without further ado, we're just going to hop right into it. So the first deal is going to be on the Gain products. So we have a $2 digital coupon for the Gain. So if you apply it to the flings, they are priced at $3.95. You're left to pay $1.95. You can also apply them to the Gain liquid detergent. This is the 50-ounce bottle priced at $4.95. So then after that $2 digital, you're left to pay $2.95. You can also apply it to the dryer sheets, the 100 count. They are priced at $3.95, and you can use it on the liquid detergent, the fabric softener at $3.95, as well as the Fireworks, the 5.7-ounce bottle, also priced at $3.95. Now that $2 coupon also applies to the bigger items as well. So the $6.95 products, after that $2 digital, you're left to pay $4.95. So this week you can definitely pick up some Gain items. We have a $2 digital coupon on the Downy products. So the one's priced at $4.50. And then after you use that $2 digital coupon, you're left to pay $2.50. So you can use it on the scent boosters. You can also use it on the Downy fabric softeners right here. And then you can also apply it to the Bounce dryer sheets. So let me show you this right here. So it is this one right here, the 105 count. They are also on sale this week for $4.50, and then after that coupon, you're left to pay $2.50. Now I noticed this sign for the Downy scent boosters. They are 2 for $8. So if you pick up 2 of them, that's $8. And then after applying that $2 digital coupon, you're going to be getting 2 of them for $6 or $3 each. So there's always an option with that right there. And then we also have a coupon for the bigger scent boosters. So this is the bigger one, the 14.8 ounce. It is priced at $9.95. We have a $3 digital coupon, dropping it down to just $6.95. More laundry deals, guys. So the Purex packs, the 15 count, it is regular price at $3. We have a $2 digital coupon, dropping it down to $1. And then that instant savings is still going on when you spend $15 on Purex, Snuggle, and all. $3 will instantly come off. And then I think we're going to have a 3-day sale when they're going to be buy one, get one free. So we also have a deal on the bigger bottles of Purex. So this is the one priced at $8, as well as the all. So the big packs of all, the free and clear, it is also priced at $8. We have a $3 digital coupon that will attach to either one, dropping it down to just $5. And again, you can mix and match the Purex and the all to throw it in with that instant savings. So the Arm & Hammer liquid detergent, they are regular price at $3.50. This is the 43.7 fluid ounce as well as the 50 fluid ounce bottles. They're priced at $3.50. We have a $1 digital coupon, dropping it down to just $2.50. And then of course, if you want more bang for your buck, you would want the 50% ounce because you're getting 25% more. Another deal you can take advantage of is the Airwick. This is the twin packs, the refill. They are regular price at $5. You want to pick up 2 of them, that's going to total out to $10. We have a 5 off of 2 coupon, or like a buy one get one free coupon, dropping them down to $5 for both, or $2.50 each. We also have that paper version of that coupon that came out in yesterday's insert. Now this next deal, I don't see it here at this store, but it is on the Quilted Northern, the 12 count. They're priced at $6. We have a $1.50 digital coupon, dropping it down to $4.50. Now we'll pop it up on the screen. That way, if you need a visual as to what the toilet paper looks like, then there's that option. But we also have a few more paper product deals to go over while I'm over here. So the next one is going to be on the Cottonelle 12 pack. So the Cottonelle, the 12 count, it is regular price at $5. We actually have a $1 paper coupon that came out in yesterday's insert, which will drop it down to just $4. So there's that. And then we also have a paper coupon on the Cottonelle wipes. Looks like my store's out, yeah, because they would have been right here. But they are regular price at $2.50. And then in that same insert as the toilet paper coupon, we have this 50 cent off of the flushable wipes, dropping them down to $2. And you know, we do have that instant savings on Cottonelle and Scott as well. This week, the Nivea women's body wash is on sale for $4. We have a dollar digital coupon dropping it down to just $3. Now that dollar coupon also attaches to the Nivea men body wash, which is regular price at $4, so that'll be $3 as well. Another option would be to pick up 2 of the body washes and pairing in this 3 off of 2 paper coupon, making them $5 for 2 or $2.50 each. So if Nivea body wash is your thing, I think it's been a minute since we actually received coupons on Nivea, so you definitely can take advantage of it. Another option would be to pick up 2 of the Caress bar soap. This is a 3 count. They are regular price at $2.75. Picking up 2 of them will total out to $5.50. And we do have a 2 off of 2 DG coupon, dropping them down to $3.50 for 2 or $1.75 each. And I think you can apply it to the body wash as well. So this week we received a $2 DG coupon on the big products, and I'm going to show you just some of the items that that coupon does attach to. So for the cheapest one will be to pick up this 12 count Big Sensitive, priced at $2.85, as well as the Silky Touch, also priced at $2.85. That will drop your total down to 85 cents, and then you can apply it to this Big Deuce, priced at $3, and then after that $2 coupon, you're left to pay just $1. And then the last deal I'm going to go over today is going to be on the CeraVe facial products. I think this is lotion too. They are regular price at $6. In yesterday's insert, we received $3 coupons. So just pick and choose which item you want to use, apply that $3 coupon, and then you're left to pay just $3. So here is a recap of all of the deals we went over today. Quite a bit of deals. You definitely have options, as well as check out my video from last week, because there are some digital coupons that I mentioned in that video that have not expired, and so you can apply them to this week deals if you still have them. Also, another thing I want to let you guys know is that Dove instant savings, when you spend $8 and then $2 comes off, that is still happening this week. So if you missed out on Dove last week, or if you have some coupons and you weren't able to take advantage of some Dove, you have another week to do so. I'm not sure if that instant savings is going to still be going on next week, so definitely try to take advantage of some Dove and use those coupons. And of course, you can always throw them into a 5 off of 25. And then with instant savings, if you're doing an instant savings in a 5 off of 25 scenario for this Saturday, your total needs to be at least $25 after the cashier hits total and that instant savings comes off. Just a few little tips that I want to share with y'all, but I hope you guys enjoy. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below which one is your favorite deal, as well as if there's a deal that I didn't mention or I completely forgot to mention or whatever, drop it down in the comment section below. That way you can help someone else out. They see the deal and they're like, hey, I need this product. I'm going to do this deal. That's all I have in this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love each and every one of y'all. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.